Obsidian, Notion, and Evernote serve different note-taking styles. Notion is best for collaboration, task tracking, and building structured databases. It's perfect for teams, project management, and content planning. Obsidian is best for deep thinkers. It's markdown based, runs locally, and uses backlinks to create a knowledge graph. Ideal for researchers, writers, and anyone who prefers control over cloud syncing. Evernote, while once the leader, has fallen behind in flexibility but still excels at document scanning, web clipping, and syncing across devices. In 2025, Notion wins for structured collaboration, Obsidian for personal and private knowledge management, and Evernote for traditional note syncing. Choose based on whether you build system, link thoughts, or just need fast access.